Cat window perches are innovative and practical accessories designed to provide feline friends with a cozy spot to relax and observe the world outside. These cleverly designed perches are easily attachable to windows, allowing cats to bask in the warmth of the sun while enjoying panoramic views. With sturdy frames and comfortable cushioning, they offer a secure and comfortable space for cats to lounge, nap, or simply indulge in their natural curiosity. The elevated vantage point satisfies their innate desire to survey their surroundings, stimulating their senses and reducing boredom. Cat window perches often feature durable materials, removable covers for easy cleaning, and adjustable straps for versatile installation. Whether your cat is an indoor enthusiast or craves a taste of the great outdoors, a window perch is an excellent addition to any feline-friendly household. Join me on this channel for an exhilarating exhibition of premium cat window perches. Subscribe for updates, show your support with a thumbs up, and let's embark on an exciting journey together. MuaFun impressively secures 5th place in our rigorous evaluation. Crafted from high-quality iron wood combination, this cat window perch can withstand your cat's weight. It's designed for maximum comfort, with a plush fabric that keeps your cat cozy while enjoying the outside view. The MuaFun cat window perch cover is reversible, catering to different room temperatures, with one side being suede mesh and the other side soft plush for warmth. Easy to install, it securely attaches to any window using strong, adjustable metal brackets. Cleaning is a breeze as the durable cat window seat features removable and washable fabric, ensuring a clean and hygienic environment for your cat. Enjoy the convenience and quality of MuaFun's cat window perch. CLKHOWL has rightfully earned recognition, securing an impressive 4th position on our esteemed list due to its exceptional qualities. This cat hammock-like hanging bed effortlessly mounts onto windows or smooth surfaces, ensuring your cat's comfort and entertainment. With a quick installation process on clean, non-porous surfaces like glass windows or doors, it offers a cozy spot for sunbathing or a high vantage point for active cats. It helps reduce separation anxiety and keeps your furniture free from messy hair. The detachable design of the cat hammock allows for easy washing of the removable cover in a washing machine, ensuring repeated use. This cat window hammock utilizes a new generation of suction cups, requiring a firm and clockwise tightening after pressing them against the glass to ensure a secure attachment. Prioritizing cleanliness, consider cleaning the windows and wetting the suction cups before sticking them on. And without a doubt, MuaFun has demonstrated its exceptional value, rightfully earning an impressive 3rd position on our prestigious list. This versatile cat window perch offers easy installation on various surfaces such as window sills, drawers, chair backs, cabinets, and bedsides. You can effortlessly move the cat hammock from window to window without disassembly. The cat resting seat includes adjustable snap-in legs, providing additional support for the window bed. The hook and legs are adjustable to accommodate different installation locations, with a maximum adjustment distance of 6 inches. Assembly is a breeze, taking just 5 minutes to build and install. The legs are equipped with 2 felt spacers to prevent wall damage. Holding up to 40 pounds, it's suitable for multiple kitties or a large cat. Unlike suction-mounted alternatives, this cat window perch securely attaches to surfaces without risking drops, without causing damage to furniture or walls, and without taking up valuable space in your home. The washable canvas ensures a clean resting place for your beloved pet. PetsFit, a highly respected and renowned brand, has rightfully secured the second position on our top list, offering an exceptional range of products. Their cat window perch boasts a stable and secure design, allowing for versatile usage on doors, drawers, windows, and desk partitions. Unlike other options, this cat perch does not require wall drilling, loops, or suction cups, ensuring worry-free use without the risk of injury from falling suction cups over time. The top support panel is reinforced with 2 solid wood panels connected by thickened hinges, providing enhanced strength compared to alternatives. Additionally, the cat window seat is collapsible and foldable, enabling convenient space-saving storage. Your cat will enjoy the freedom to lie down, roll, and bask in the sun or admire the scenery outside the window. The hook's slim 0.1-inch thickness allows for a perfect fit in the window gap without hindering normal window closing. The Window Silk Cat Perch features a super soft fleece mat that keeps your cat warm and cozy throughout the day. The mat is removable, washable, and easy to clean. It's important to note that the distance between the 2 hooks is 23 inches, so please verify that it aligns with the size of your window or drawer before purchase. Securing the top position on our list, K&H Pet Products offers a remarkable product that prioritizes safety and reliability. The K&H Easy Window Mount Kitty Sills are unparalleled as the easiest, strongest, and most versatile window sleeper available, now featuring versions ranging from 1 to 4 levels. Whether you have a single or multiple cat household, these awesome products are offered in single level, double stack, triple stack, and quad stack options. With the K&H Easy Window Mount Kitty Sills, your cat or cats can enjoy a front row view of nature, weather, and people, all without occupying valuable floor space. Cats adore basking in the warm sun and relish being at a high vantage point, and this perch fulfills those desires. Additionally, it helps prevent messy hair from accumulating on your furniture. What sets the K&H Easy Window Mount Kitty Sills apart is their patented design, allowing you to easily fold up the kitty sill without removing it from the window. This feature ensures full functionality of your curtains or blinds and is included in all versions. We greatly appreciate your input. Kindly share your thoughts on cat window perches in the comments section. Your feedback is vital for our ongoing enhancements. Thank you for participating and contributing to our mission.